Welcome back to Punctuation Marks. This is part 4. Let us start our discussion. Serial number 8. Dash. A dash is used to separate words into statements. There are two common types of dashes. One is N dash and another one is M dash. Point 1. N dash. Twice as long as a hyphen, the N dash is a symbol that is used in writing or printing to indicate a range, connections, or differentiations, such as 1880 to 1945 or Princeton to New York trains. Here, in first example, we find a range, and in second example, we find a connection. Point 2. M dash. Longer than the N dash. The M dash can be used in place of a comma, parenthesis, or colon to enhance readability or emphasize the conclusion of a sentence. For example, she gave him her answer. M dash, no. Here we notice the conclusion of a sentence by giving emphasis on the word no. Nota bene, whether you put spaces around the M dash or not is a style choice. Just be consistent. Serial number 9. Parentheses. Point 1. Parentheses are carved notations used to contain further thoughts or qualifying remarks. However, parentheses can be replaced by commas without changing the meaning in most cases. Example: John and Jane, within parentheses, who are actually half brother and sister, both have red hair. In this example, we find qualifying remark within the parentheses or first brackets. Point 2. Occasionally or sparingly used for extra, non-essential material included in a sentence. Example: before arriving at the station, the old train, parentheses or first brackets, someone said it was a relic of frontier days, caught fire. In this example, within parentheses or first brackets, we notice an extra or non-essential information. Serial number 10. Braces or second brackets. Braces or second brackets are used to contain two or more lines of text or listed items to show that they are considered as a unit. They are not commonplace in most writing but can be seen in computer programming to show what should be contained within the same lines. They can also be used in mathematical expressions. For example, 2 second bracket starts 1 plus third bracket starts 23 minus 3 third bracket closes and then second bracket closes equal to x.